Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Audi Q7 backseat. To begin, locate the release lever, typically found on the upper side of the seat back. This lever is designed for easy access and usually has a distinct pull handle. Once you find it, give it a firm pull to disengage the latch. This action will unlock the seat, allowing it to move freely. For maximum cargo space, you'll want to fully fold the seats. First, ensure all headrests are in their lowest position to prevent obstruction. Next, check that seat belts are clear of the folding mechanism to avoid damage. Then, simply push the seat back down firmly until it lies flat and locks into place, creating a large, level loading area. The Audi Q7 also offers rear seat adjustments for passenger comfort. Look for the recline lever, usually located near the seat base or on the side. Pull this lever to release the seat back, allowing you to adjust it to your desired angle. Always ensure the seat is securely latched in its new position before driving, for safety and stability. Finally, to return the seat to its upright position, simply lift the seat back until you hear a clear click. This sound confirms it's securely locked and ready for passengers. Make sure to give it a gentle tug to ensure it's fully engaged and safe. And hey, if your car could use a refresh, grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.